I got 2 booms this morning.
We need it every morning. Yeah, and then we need 2 more before the end of the day. That's all we need.
We're on the right track.
Good afternoon, Team Danlock. A welcome to Alex, Coach Alex, first of all, joining us.
I'm happy to be here, coming with a beginner's mind and my empty cup mug, which you can't see. It's important, no matter how much experience I have, I'm coming in as an observer for the first couple of weeks, unless I'm asked questions. I'm looking forward to getting to know you better, both privately and publicly. So let the journey begin, onward and upward.
Thank you. Welcome.
For me, defining what something is not makes it much easier to know what it is first. I know what is by getting rid of what isn't and by making mistakes. And Sifu Dan and I have gone through those experiences, as I'm sure you have. So what unity is not is you doing your job and ignoring the big picture. What unity is not is deciding to do something on your own and not confirming with others whom it affects. It's going to have an impact on them and their work. So that's what unity is not. What unity is to me is a jigsaw puzzle, and puzzle has many pieces, sometimes thousands of pieces, sometimes hundreds. The cover of the box is the final vision. Sifu Dan is a visionary, right? So you see the vision, and that final vision is on the cover of the box of the jigsaw puzzle. But inside the box are all these little pieces that you got to put together. And there's certain strategies on how to make that jigsaw puzzle work. Usually we start around the sides because they have flat ends, and then you move towards the middle. The way a bridge is built, from both sides to the middle versus from one side. What I see unity is when you're doing your task, asking yourself, how does this impact the big picture? How does this impact the outcome for the greater good? How does this impact the vision that we have? And if you're not connected to the vision, then you're not unified. Sometimes you're putting a piece in that may not even be a piece for that particular picture. It's like you're taking it from some other puzzle, which is common. It's not your fault. You're doing your job. You're doing it by deadline. But if you have the piece from that puzzle and you're putting the piece in, and then maybe a few more pieces for the big picture, what unity is for me is ultimately looking at how one impact can have a greater impact on the greater good. Whatever you're doing individually is going to have an impact on the whole, and that's synergy. And ultimately, that's going to be my goal to co-create that with all of you. So I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome.
This time I'm really purposely being more hands-off. And Joe would catch something, Rafael catch something, and it's could be through a video, could be through a Bo would catch something, little on a flip chart. So little things like that, that's already better, right? Doesn't mean we don't miss a couple of things, but I think it's already better from a culture perspective, right? We all look, because compared to the past, I would need to look at every damn PDF, every word, every graphic, every video. At this time, I didn't do any of that, right? It's really through the team that they did it. And they catch stuff that, I didn't even know. I said the wrong thing, right? But it's perfect. So it's round of applause for the team. Unity, that's unity. Maybe you're stuck right now in your business and it's not your fault. Chances are that I have been there and I have overcome those challenges that are preventing you from going to that next level. Let me give you the roadmap so you finally have the clarity that you need to grow your business. I'll give you the exact steps and systems that you need to move quickly. This is not for beginners, this is for serious business owners who want to level up. Follow the link to find out more about my 5-day SMART challenge.